Hello students, welcome back to my channel UMaths. In last few episodes we are learning tricks for multiplication which speed up your calculation, save your time. You must have experienced it. Yes, today I am here with one more multiplication trick which will save your time and which will speed up your calculation. Right? Are you ready to learn? Yes. Let us learn today multiplication with any digit number with 111. Take number 231 multiply by 111. Without doing any regular method, we can get this answer with this trick. Now, first write the first number as it is. Then add up first and second number. 2 plus 3 is 5. Then add first, second and third number. 2 plus 3 plus 1 is 6. Then add up last two numbers. 3 plus 1 is 4. Then write the last number as it is. This is here your answer is. Let us understand by taking one more example. 435 multiply by 11. How we did? First write first number as it is. Then add first two numbers, first digit plus second digit. Then add up first digit, second digit and third digit. Then leave the first one and say take the next two. First and second, this again two digits. Then write the last digit as it is. This is the trick. Let us apply. First number as it is 2. 4 plus 3 is 7. 4 plus 3 plus 5. So 4 plus 3, 7 plus 5 is 12. Write 2 here, 1 carry. Then go to the next step is 3 plus 5 is 8. Then write last number as it is. Now because here there is a carry, so we have to add this 5, 8, 2, 7 plus 1 is 8 and this is 4. So this is our answer. Okay, let us take one more example. 522 multiply by 111. First, what is the step? Write first number as it is. Then first 1 plus 2, 5 plus 2 is 7. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3. 2 plus 3. 5 plus 2, 7 plus 2, 9. Then leave the first and write the second. Third will be adding. 2 plus 2 is 4. Then write the last number. This is our answer. Isn't it easy? Let us try some bigger numbers. If I add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 multiply by 111. Now here 3 digits and here more digits are there. Let us see how we will do for this. First, as we know, we are following that first number, then 1 plus 2, two numbers and 1 plus 2 plus 3 digits. Then again we are going for 2 and 1. Now when it is more numbers are there, that time when till two numbers, last number still comes, we have to continue doing this third step again. 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 again and again. Okay. Now let us understand how we are applying this. First write first number as it is. Then 1 plus 2, this is 3. Then 1 plus 2 plus 3, these 3 digits are 6. Then now here more digits are there, so first we'll cancel the first one and again take third 3 digits together. 2 plus 3 plus 4. How much? 6 plus 5 plus 4 is 9. Now cancel this number. Again go for 3 numbers. 3 plus 4 is 7. 7 plus 5 is 12. Carry 1 and cancel this number. Now there are 2 numbers are remaining. Now use this step 2, that is 4 plus 5 is 9 and write the last number as it is. Because here there is a carry, so we have to add this number. Final answer will be 5, 9, 2, 9 plus 1 is 10, carry 1, 6 plus 1 is 7, 3 and 1. This will be the answer. Okay, is it understood? Now let us take one more example to understand more better. If I am taking 2, 5, 3, 9 multiply by 1, 1, 1, 11, 111. Now here also 3 digits, here 4 digits, more digits are there. Let us solve this by using this trick. 2 as it is, then 2 plus 5 is 7, then go plus 2 plus 5 plus 3, 7 plus 3 is 10, 11, 10, 1 carry here, then cancel this number, go for the 3 numbers, 5 plus 3 is 8, 8 plus 9 is 17, 1 carry, cancel this number, then 2 numbers are remaining now, 3 plus 9 is 12, carry 1, write the last number as it is. Since there are the carry, so we have to write these numbers again. 9, 2, 7 plus 1 is 8, 0 plus 1 is 1, 7 plus 1 is 8 and the last number is 2. This is our answer. Isn't it easy? Instead of doing 111 in the traditional method, just you have to remember this trick is first digit as it is. Then if there are more digits according to 3 digits and more digits are there, then you have to carry the third step again and again till last 2 digits remaining. Then you are doing the last 2 digits addition and writing last digit as it is. Isn't it easy? Will you try with me? Next number you will try with me. We will write first step 2 as it is, then 2 plus 9, 11, 1 carry. The third step we don't have 3 numbers, so we will skip that. And 2, 9 plus 2 is again 11 and then last digit is 9. Since a carry is there, we will add this 9, 1, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1 is 3. This is our answer. Second, we have seen the equal digits. If suppose I am having 3, 5, 2 multiplied by 111. So equal number of digits. Then we will apply this. Write 3 first. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. Carry 1. Again this is cancelled. This 5 plus 2 is 7. And writing 2 here. And the next step will be 2, 7, 0, 9, 3. This will be our answer. When there is equal number of digits. Let us see last example. If I am writing here 2, 5, 6, 7, 8 multiplied by 111. Here you can see 3 digit less than 3 digit. Here 3 digit equal 3 digits. And here 3 digits and but more than 3 digits. One more time we will practice. First we will write the first one 2 as it is. Then 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 6 3 digits is 13. Carry 1. This is cancelled. Then again take the 3 digits. 5 plus 6 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. Carry here 1. Then cancel this. Take again here 3 digits. 6 plus 7 13. 13 plus 8 is 21. 1 here 2 carry. Then cancel this number. Now here are only 2 numbers are remaining. So we have to write 7 plus 8 is 15. Carry 1 and last digit as it is. So here our last step will be 8, 5, 1 plus 1 2, 8 plus 2 10, carry 1, 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 5 and here 7 plus 1 is 8 and this is 2. This is our answer. Isn't it easy? Once you know the steps for 3 digits, if you don't have the third number, then leave this and continue with this 2. When we have 3 and 3 equal numbers, first 1 write as it is, 1 plus 2, 1 plus 2 plus 3 and again 2 and 1. When it is going to the more than 3 digits numbers, we will do, how will you do? You will write here 1, 2, 3. How many times you are there? 3. You continue with the 3 and then write 2 and 1. This is the trick you are going to use for more than 3 digit numbers. Equal digit numbers, this is the trick, and the less than 2 digit number, you can omit this step. If I give you now any digit number to multiply with 111, you will be do within a second. Are you ready to do with me? 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 1 multiplied by 111. First I will write 1 as it is, then 3 plus 1 is 4, 3 plus 4 plus 4 is 8. Now I will cancel this, 3 plus 4, these 3 numbers, 7 plus 5, 12. Then I will cancel this, 4 plus 5 plus 7, 16. Then cancel this, 5 plus 7 plus 8, 12 plus 8, 20. Cancel this, 7 plus 8 plus 1, 16. Then cancel this. Now 8 plus 1, only 2 are remaining. 8 plus 1 is 9, and write the last number as it is. 1 is as it is. Now you can add the numbers carry and you can write over here. Now here 1, 9, 6. This one will go here, 21. This 2 will go here, 16 plus 17, 18. Then 1 will go here, 12 plus 1 is 13. 1 will go here, 8 plus 1 is 9. Then this is 4 and this is 1. This is our answer. Isn't it easy? I hope you must have understood the concept and definitely you are going to use it. All the best, children. See you soon with new episode, new concept. Write your comments in comment box. I will be waiting for your comments.